This video is how to upgrade your TI-84 Plus CE. Please make sure your calculator looks like the following calculator. If not, we have another video for just the Plus model. To start with, we want to check what version we're using, so hold down the second and memory button and go to the About screen. If you hit About, you'll see the version listed. Here we have version 5.3.1.58, which is in fact the newest version, but we're going to use this as an example. The next step you should do is use the cable provided to plug in the calculator to the desktop, and the calculator USB port is located on the right side. So plug that in and give it a second for the computer to recognize the calculator. After that, you're going to click on the TI Connect CE program. Make sure it's the CE program, the other one is for the other calculator. Hit No Thanks to the prompt it provides and wait for the program to load. It should list the calculator as the TI-84 Plus CE. If it doesn't, something's wrong. And what we're going to want to do is send the OS bundle to it. So click on this PC, go to the Windows directory, click on the TI OS directory, and then click on the TI-84 CE bundle. This is important. It's got to be the CE bundle that you're sending to this calculator. There's a couple of options, but you can just hit the send key to begin the process. And there should be a green bar moving indicating the calculator is receiving the OS. If you actually look at the calculator screen, there'll also be an indication that it's installing and receiving the operating system. This transfer is fairly quick, and what's happening is you're receiving the operating system along with the standard applications that Valencia would expect you to have on your calculator. When it's done receiving the OS, you're going to notice the calculator disconnect and turn off. This is totally normal. Give it 2 or 3 seconds for it to restart. Once it's restarted, it should pop up again, and now it should say it's receiving files. And what's happening here is the calculator is being provided all 18 applications that you'll be using on a standard day-to-day basis in your classes. And the OS transfer will be fairly quick. The application transfer will take a little bit longer. So just make sure you have a couple minutes to do this. After it's done, if we click on that and click on the second icon that looks like a list of papers and scroll down, you should see a list of applications here. And you should see them in your app screen as well. They're located on the screen now for reference. If you scroll down, they should all be listed and you should be able to verify that they're working correctly. Last thing we want to do is actually make sure the operating system got upgraded. So we'll go right click and go to calculator information, and the OS version should be listed as 5.3.1.58. And if it's not, then please refer to the instructions at the beginning of the please see a staff member. If you want to verify it manually, please refollow the instructions at the beginning. If not, at this point, your calculator is all upgraded and you're safe to unplug it from the computer, turn it off, and you're done.